friggin' A, Kaci. Did you love that 100,000 people sold out show at the Madison Square Garden, dude?
Incredible.
Oh my god, now we're here with you at this hotel filming your show, and this is an amazing time. Have a great time.
Thank you. Thank you guys for joining me.
Well, there's something we have for you.
Really?
Yes. Bring it
What's
out,
that?
brother.
Why, my friend? Oh, just
Look at this.
look at this. Look at that.
Look at that. It looks so good.
I wish someone would teach us how to make that.
It's just pineapple, okay? It's all pineapple. Don't worry
Mine's
about it.
pineapple then red. It looks like blood.
It's human pineapples. Just take that. Go for it.
Watch.
And just
One
do
of
it.
us.
One of us.
Is that a
One
big
of
step?
us.
Will this help me
YOLO.
get like more YouTube subscribers?
Yes.
Just like us,
Sure.
like 100,000
All right.
views,
All right.
likes.
You did it.
There you go.
Yeah!
Chug, chug,
Chug, chug, chug, chug, chug, chug,
No, that's too much.
Yeah, dude.
You're one of us now.
Dude, you are.
Wait, you guys mean like in the band?
Well, you can sell merch, but.
Alright, you Calabit. Oh, hi, Phoenix. We're gonna make sure that the dead don't rise and that vampires don't exist.
Alright, it's time for another killer cocktails, and I am so excited to have Calabrese with me. I cannot believe this is happening right now. This is one of my favorite bands, and yeah, I'm trying not to fangirl a little bit. So today we are going to make a couple cocktails for you guys. We are going to start with what I call the Santa Carla Sunset. I will have you guys make the cocktail.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do 1 shot of tequila. This is Sangre de Vida's El Corazon tequila. I'm sure I butchered that name, but it's a really, really rad bottle. Looks like,
Spawns.
yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, I guess we should probably put some ice in there first, huh?
Of course.
Alright, so I'll get the ice on. In case you're living under a rock, this is inspired by the Lost Boys.
Oh, not the Tiger Army song?
Alright, so we got the ice. Oh no, I'm getting away with the ice. Alright, so we're gonna do a shot of tequila in each glass.
There we go.
I would normally do half that. We're going to do 2 shots of grapefruit juice. You can also use orange, or you can use blood orange juice.
Okay. Wait, 2 shots?
Yes, 2 shots. We're gonna do like a 1/4 shot of this lime juice.
Ooh, lime.
Okay, for all of them?
I think 1/4 of a shot in there, whatever.
Right. It's a quarter.
That's for Kaci. She gets a nice weak one.
And
It's
then
all
we're gonna
good.
drop, this is blood, actually it's blood orange syrup or
Oh.
grenadine, whatever you guys can find. And you're gonna drop,
No.
I would
No,
not
no,
do
no,
that,
no.
I would still not do that.
All right.
Probably about a ½ ounce of that in each one, and that's to give it a nice radiant effect.
Mama.
Wow.
And that is the Santa Carla Sunset.
Oh.
So,
Shots. All right. Who's the camera? What camera? Zoom in on this.
Ooh,
Love that.
look at that.
Love that. Let me drink.
yeah.
Check
If you
it
want
out.
to.
That's how you. That's an interesting way to drink.
Okay.
That's how you do it. That's how you drink it. That's the most important part. Wait, so who's getting the weak one?
You.
Are you getting the
Oh.
You're not gonna have one?
All right.
Oh,
There we go.
I don't think I can do this.
Let's
Well,
see.
you should.
Well.
Did I trust you for the wrong reason? There you go. Love it.
Oh, it's so strong. That's too much for me. It's very tart. We use the choice of grapefruit juice in this one, ruby red grapefruit juice, but orange juice will work just fine. I prefer blood orange juice if you can find those in season, but We use grapefruit this time because I have a fondness for blood orange and want to do something a little different this time.
Well, looking at the grocery store, you can tell there's less sugar and calories in grapefruit juice.
So it's better for you.
So it's better for you.
Yeah.
Comparably
It's
to
a health
orange
drink
juice.
with tequila.
Hell yeah.
So I think Bobby wants to be our mixologist
All
on
right.
this one. All right, so we are going to do a shot of rum. We're just going to sprinkle it on. Oh, maybe we should like.
Whoa.
Should we
You're not
try?
gonna turn into a vampire.
So we're tripling the recipe. It would normally be one shot, but. So we are using Deadhead spiced rum in this one. Check them out. 2 shots of cherry juice. So I guess we're actually going to do. We're like being terrible about my drink. Like I just dump stuff in there normally, so that's why I'm like I think it's about 4 ounces. I eyeball it, and you know I did want to say that this was blood, but it's actually cherry juice. Again, blood orange juice, pomegranate juice, cranberry juice, any dark colored liquid. So 1.5 shots of lime juice. So we only have like 1 shot here, so we'll just dump that whole thing. And
You said all of it. Oh no, just a little bit.
actually, we're supposed to have like.
Thank you, Kimberly.
Sorry, I'm
on the
getting
side.
rum all over you. And then we're gonna do. So it would normally be 3 shots of pineapple juice. So we're gonna do 9 shots of pineapple juice.
Damn.
This is where we do this.
I feel-
Zoom in on that.
I feel like
fucker.
this.
All of it.
There you go.
I feel like this is backwards. There's more juice than alcohol, which is what I prefer.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Wait, where's the 2? Oh my God, we forgot the ice.
Oh yeah.
3.
Well, you should chill the juices before.
All right.
4.
But I mean, you really are supposed to enjoy it.
That's a lovely shirt you got there.
Thank you. I happened to pick this up at the Calabrese show in Fullerton earlier tonight.
Sold out show.
Yes, sold out show.
Where can viewers get one of those shirts?
Yeah,
if they
where can
are so
Thank you, Sound
inclined?
Man.
At CalabriseStore.com. The link's in the description, possibly.
yeah, check the description below.
Make sure to smash that like button.
Yeah, smash that like button for Kaci. Smash it!
And the subscribe button.
Yeah, subscribe that button.
And the share button.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Alright, I don't know whose glass was whose, but.
That one's Emilio.
Oh, did Emilio drink mine? Wait, Emilio's here?
I don't know what you're talking about.
If I did.
Alright, so this is the vampire's vow.
Whoa! Hey, she's drunk already.
Damn. Tasty. There we go.
Keep
there
it
we
going.
Yeah. Damn, dude.
Nice. Hey, Kaci.
Alright,
Good.
so.
Where's that glamour shot?
Oh, wait,
Oh,
thumbnail.
you took her.
Okay,
Get out.
1, 2, stupid YouTube face. 2, Tiger Army.
What?
Santa Carla Twilight. Oh, that's the other one.
Who are you?
Oh my God. Are you driving? It's really good.
The show tonight was your guys' last show of 2018. Is that correct? And that's because you guys are getting ready to record album 7?
No, that's because I'm dying.
Oh no! So
You
if you
get it here
guys
first.
want to tell anybody a little bit about what's in store?
I don't know. We're gonna figure it out when we get done.
That's about it.
We got some jammers. We got some rockers. We got some
Slammers.
knockers. And some slammers.
Yeah. Slim slammers.
It's everything you want in the old album and everything you want in the new album. Take it as you will.
And something.
What does that mean?
Pleases everybody.
Yeah.
Well, I'm very, very excited about it. Very excited to see you guys tonight. For those of you that don't follow me, I tweet about them a lot. It's probably really annoying for them.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy.
No, you're not tweeting enough.
So please, go check out Calabrese. Where can they find you?
Woo! You can add us at Calabrese666 at most places. Twitter, Instagram.
Why is it Kalango
Facebook.
666?
Because 69 was taken.
Got him.
Come on.
Family.
Oh, don't want to get demonetized.
Too late.
Yeah, or you can just Google Calabrese, Calabrese, and you can find us there, baby.
Yeah,
YouTube!
Leave
We're on YouTube too!
Yeah, and you guys gotta check out their webisodes, the Cal vlogs. They're freaking hilarious. So not only does their music rock, but they're very, very entertaining to watch. So this feels weird that I'm like talking about you guys with you right here. Thank you guys so much for doing this. This is a dream come true, as cheesy as that sounds.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's all get in. Let's all.
This is the thumbnail.
Thank you very much for having us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you,
and bringing the
guys.
studio here to the hotel room, the same hotel room we're at. Kind of creepy. Look at this. We got. This is not just us. You think it's just everyone and
Yeah,
us three, but we
Okay,
got
he's
more.
panning around. Everyone say hello.
There
we
you
go.
go.
This is
There
a
he
team
is.
effort. It's a team effort. It's a team effort.
Well, thank you guys so much for doing this. I know that you guys have had a very long couple of days. It's 2 sold-out shows back to back.
Yeah.
So,
10 gold album.
and you guys go all the way from Arizona here.
Full disclosure, there's 10 gold albums we painted ourselves at home. But they are truly 10 gold albums.
Well, is there anything else you guys want to say before we cut this?
Smash that subscribe button for Kaci.
Please.
Please. Please, God. Please.
I don't know what this means.
If you enjoyed that recipe, don't worry, there's a skeleton more where that came from. Be sure to hit the subscribe button.